Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin money to PayPal. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Actually there is no direct option to withdraw your money on Sweatcoin application, so I will just show you the shortcut. How can you do that? And I would like to notify you that it does not work in all countries. So firstly check that it is available in your country, and after that you can proceed with the step I am taking to you. So the first step is to open your Sweatcoin application, and the second step is to go on your home page. On the left you can see there is a back option. On your mobile phone you can see, and the third option is $20 cash for 40. You just have to send your invites to 40 people. After that, this is the process. How can you claim your amount? So purchase the offer of inviting 40 friends. To successfully download Sweatcoin with a link, and upon reaching the target, click purchase option here, and after that you will receive a code and you can follow the remaining structure to your account. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching this, and please subscribe this channel if you like it.